कोकणी आणि मराठी या दोन्ही भाषांच्या विकासासाठी सरकारनं या अर्थसंकल्पात विशेष तरतूद केली आहे। दालगादो कोकणी अकादमीसाठी 15 लाख तर परवर येथील मराठी भवनासाठी 50 लाख रुपयांची तरतूद करण्यात आली आहे। मराठी भवनासाठी ही रक्कम एकाच हप्त्यात दिली जाईल।
My government is committed to develop Konkani language by supporting the institutions working for promotion of this language. Presently, government is giving grants to Konkani Academy for various promotional activities. The Dalgado Konkani Academy, working for the cause of promotion of Konkani language in Roman script, has requested government to extend financial assistance to undertake various language development. Accordingly, I made a provision of 15 lakhs to Dalgado Konkani Academy in the budget estimate 2008-2009. My government is also giving grants every year to Gomantak Marathi Academy for promotion of Marathi language. I understand the government of Goa had earlier extended special grant to Marathi Academy for construction of Marathi Bhavan at Porvori. The Marathi Academy has now requested government for further financial help to complete construction of Marathi Bhavan. Therefore, I propose to provide one-time special grant of rupees 5 lakh to the Academy for completion of Marathi Bhavan. 50 lakh. दिले थोड्या आवाज 50 lakh.